mag-isulit may sakbay din yung programa nila si Jay Samson. So siguro mga ganyo di boses tayo masakit dyan. So nakablawa ka rin so natay kasi sakbay din yung program niya po Landose. So pahay ko natin ang anay nga parang pagkakaw basta kanya na kentli pamilyana. Ayan, so magkaroon kanya na it's just a number. Kasi he almost topped the board exam. Kasi he scored na medyo just a matter of points, point something to clinch the 10th position sa kanyang board exam. And it reminds me of my days before kasi hindi napasama. Ayan, na ganan. She almost got the 10th position. So kasi at that time, amok na duting malang kay TCB at sitang ni Carl Balita. So they are aiming actually to be part of the top 10 so that in the future, baka pwede silang kunin as lecturer doon sa kanyang lecture series for the pitik ng board. And that was my goal of my niece before. And sabi ko, it's just a number. Siguro hindi yan para sa'yo na you will be end up king yung mga board exam. So, good enough, hindi naman siya, she was able to explore another opportunities outside of our country. So, wala na siya dito. So, hindi na dito yung mahanap yung kanyang future ng another country. So, kung nakuhaan magukaw ni Jay, paano maanan doon at dwell on it kasi sa talaga naman sayang kasi nga dami ka chance na maging kabinot hindi magalang history hindi Marcos being one of the top passers na Glenn. Then again, there is always a reason. Sometimes it will teach you humility. JT Masunsuro. So, and that was also my lagi kong binabanggit sa mga professionals na when you reach that dream na papasa sa board, of course, aside from passing, diba, siyempre tatang ka rin ulit from the start. So, I hope na isipin mo lagi na ang hirap mong nahirapan kang makarating yung kung ano ang narating mo na pero mas mahirap ka pagdating sa paghahanap ng trabaho because they will not only be looking at your yung qualifications gaya ng kung ano ang natapos mo but more importantly yung inyong drive to really reach your kasi ang your dream to be get employed and eventually promotion na marating. So, you always keep in mind na, okay, tapos na to, nakapasa na ako, so you start from zero kasi mag-apply ka na naman. After applying, you get employed, start from zero, you map again your plans, kung gusto mo marating sa buhay. You always start from zero. Hindi yung, kasi tayo, gaya ng mga nagsisimula, minsan yung inyong narating ngayon, yun yung parang sobrang taas na yung tingin mo sa sarili mo na to the point na parang ayaw mong mag-start all over again with the process. Na parang feeling mo dahil mataas yung nakuha mo, just like before ko, share ko lang, siyempre in-expect nila dahil magaling ka, so some of your employers will be running after you. So yun kasi ang turo sa atin, before, tawa, na nakabulin daw tayo kung tayo ay gagraduate na with Latin honors. Kung tayo ay matataas na makukuha sa project exam, abulin tayo ng employer. But in reality, it's not. Kasi ano kanila malalaman na nandyan ka, na mataas ang score, nandyan na nag-graduate ka ng Latin honor, na hindi naman lumalapit sa mga employer. So, challenge to you, JL, ano mo lang, relax ka lang, live at the moment. When they will give you a position that will start from the scratch, yung beginning yan, talaga naman natin nagsisimula sa gano'n. Do not rush also your promotion. Live with the purpose. Huwag kayo, kasi yung mga iba nagmamadali. Na parang gusto na pagpasok sa trabaho, gusto na magmasteran na ako. Parang doon, unahan ko na yung mga nandun. Pwede. Kasi may proseso naman yan. So, di ba, the moment time will come, kung ano man yung pangarap mo, bibigay ng Diyos sa nandun. Kasi at the end of the day, it's not your immediate employer yung talagang employer mo. Ang employer mo ang Diyos. Kung ano ang lagi mong binabanggit na it really humbles you. Na kung inisip mo na ito yung purpose ko, hindi mo talaga, although merong mga, kasi ito, mga sharing na, kasi yun naman ang ginagawa natin. Sinishare ko talaga na sabi ko, yung na-achieve mo ngayon, that is just the pinakita lang ng Diyos na with your hard work in your 4 years in college, ito yung na-achieve mo. Naging cum laude, graduate ka, at nakapasa ka rin sa board with flying colors. Kasi you tried your best. Nandun yung inyong hard work, determination, can achieve mo. But then, that's the end. Nang journey mo na to. So, start all over again yung pagtatrabaho, ibang journey na naman. So, another, although sabihin natin meron na rin kahit paano may tulong yan para gandang simula yung inyong matapos na meron ka mga bird na honor tsaka inyong mataas na score. But then, hindi ka talaga makakarating doon sa gusto mong marating. Gusto mong maging head ng school. Yung marating yun ko, hindi ka rin magiging teacher sa diba? So, yun lang yung explain na yung gusto kong i-impart sa'yo hopefully ma-achieve mo lahat ng yung ninanais. Kasi at the end of the day, you are doing all these things not only for yourself but your family. And to the proud parents, Manong Johnny and Manang Gina, congratulations and to Alice as well. So from our family to yours, congratulations once again and enjoy the afternoon. So thank you very much.